Hello, people from Ohio. I have great news for all you guys. There is a new pilot program that allows us to review the latest mini fridge, and it will start in the state of Ohio. I've applied in the program and they sent in this fridge to review, and after my review, I can keep it without paying anything. All I had to do was to enter on their website and answer some simple questions. And the best part is that you will know right away if you are selected or not. If you are selected, it will ask you to enter your delivery details. In my case, I got the mini fridge and over 30 drinks in less than a week. If you also want to apply in this program, or you know someone that would like to get the latest mini fridge, share this video with them or the link in the description. I wish you all good luck, a great day, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.